Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to chat with Amazon customer service. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your web browser and go to Amazon.com. After that, sign into your account and you will on this page. Once you are here, start by hovering over your account dropdown on Amazon, scrolling to the bottom and clicking Customer Service. That will take you to the main help page. If you need help with a specific item, you can select one of your recent purchases. You can also scroll down to browse their help library. However, if you just want to get to the chat, a good option is to click Something Else or I Need More Help. When you do that, Amazon might ask you to describe your issue. Clicking I Need More Help again should prompt the customer chat to appear. If not, just work through the prompts a bit more until it pops up. You'll eventually see the chat window, which looks like a pop-up on desktop or a full window on mobile. As for me, it is not available now, but that's how you can reach to customer service. If you're trying to chat about a specific product, you can return to the customer service page and select any issue like this one. Then go to your recent order. Then it will ask what kind of help you need. Select When will receive my refund and continue clicking Something Else and I Need More Help. Sometimes there's a tiny blue link hidden under the other buttons, especially on mobile. When you click I Need More Help, you'll be taken to a page where you can request a phone call or start a chat. Click Start Chatting and a new window will open for the conversation. From there, you can get help with refunds, replacements, or any other issue you're facing. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can chat with Amazon customer service. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.